So here we are for the grand finale of Monterey Car Week, and it's the Pebble Beach Concours. This is the blue ribbon event of the whole weekend. It's the best concours in the world. It's the one that everyone ultimately wants to be an entrant in with a car at some point during their motoring life. And it's great to have our clients here with their 340 America, the car we've restored over the last 2 years. It was a very early start. We've got to be here for dawn, especially if we want to get to see some of the cars without too many people around. It's only 8:30 and the lawn is already rammed. We've been here since 5:30. But judging starts very soon. Our client's here with his whole family. And we're looking forward to see what they think of the car.
Final Elegance Award is the Jules Heumann Most Elegant Open Car. And this year it goes to the 1951 Ferrari 340 America Touring Barchetta.